Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sabila Sibarani from class 10 IPS 2. Here I will tell you about my vacation time and my family on vacation and my grandmother's house who live in Bojonegoro village. I was 3 weeks on vacation. I visited relatives in Bojonegoro village to stay in house because I haven't seen you for a long time. Besides, then I only came in Bojonegoro village once during school holiday. If it's not during school holiday, I will never go 3 after I visit and my brother. Please to have a gathering in my grandmother's house, because when I was at my brother's house, I left too late so that I will not be able to continue the journey, because it was almost late at night. So my family and I decided to go home and continue the trip tomorrow again. The morning time has arrived. Before leaving, I went on a trip to vacation in the flag area of Bojonegoro. My family and I had breakfast together at my grandmother's house, as well as breakfast with my grandmother. After breakfast, I visited tourist attraction where there are many very beautiful tourist attraction cannot be found in Surabaya where I live. I am in the field of Bojonegoro. Traveling there are formerly heavenly fire in Rejekwesi Park, Starfruit Agro Tourism, and reserves of swords. My family and my grandmother will also visit the first place in the heavenly fire tourist spot where there are many tourist attractions that are very beautiful and the legend is very amazing for me and all of my family, because in the fair tree is a veranda below. Fire in the middle of the fire, yet that tree is rain or any wind, that fire will never go out. Beside that tree, the weather is very hot because tree is a fire that has not been extinguished since a long time ago in the Majapahit era. After all this time, my family and I were in heaven. My family and I continued on journey near the Rejekwesi Garden. My family and I were there in the park to rest and enjoy the beauty of the Rejekwesi Garden, where there were lots of very green plants that almost be very calm and mother. The heat come and make the heat come do not want to leave the garden Rejekwesi. Although I do not want to leave, I have to remain living the atmosphere in the park to continue the journey to arrive and a tourist spot after in the Rejekwesi Park. After in the Rejekwesi Park, my family and I headed to the Starfruit Agro tourist place where there were many large starfruit. Besides that, also in the Starfruit Agro tourist, that in the garden the starfruit can be picked by yourself and can be eaten immediately, and the taste of the starfruit is also delicious and fresh. Apart from picking the starfruit, there is also a starfruit shell to be able to take home for souvenir from the star. Freight Argo towards me, my family, and I decided to buy the stuff because it tasted good and I could take it home to Surabaya. After that, I returned from the Argo tourism to my grandmother's house because it was late in the evening and could not continue the trip and the next tourist spot, namely at Reservoir of Shaw, and instead to continue on the next day for the SWAT Reservoir before I was back in Surabaya. The break morning come, I continue my journey to the reservoir of the SWAT. In the reservoir of the SWAT, I am only with my father, because the localities of the SWAT reservoir is close to the house. There are also many people who fish and enjoy the beauty. But I was 3, I just enjoyed it very cool beauty, but my father was 3 to decide to fish. I was 3 a long time ago and it was already later in my day and I left the SWAT reservoir because it scared my family and I went home to Surabaya. And that ends my story telling my vacation at the Bojonegoro Tahu. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.